Hey there, Fiverr community. Exciting news just dropped in 30 John 2024, and we're here to break it down for you. Fiverr has introduced some fantastic updates to their system and platform, and we've got the inside scoop. So, let's dive in. First up, Fiverr is shining a spotlight on your performance with a brand new Freelancer level system. As you climb the levels, you'll unlock additional benefits, powerful tools, and eligibility for exclusive programs. The higher you go, the more opportunities for success. Whether you're just starting or already a seasoned freelancer, there's a level for everyone. From the new seller, level 1, level 2, to the prestigious top-rated. Each level comes with its own set of perks. Check out the requirements on the screen to see where you stand. Fiverr understands the dynamic nature of freelancing, so they've tailored the system to fit your needs. What's exciting is that you can now advance to the next level within a day for level 1 and level 2. Plus, there's a 30-day grace period to improve any metrics, ensuring faster advancements and more time to shine. But that's not all. Fiverr has introduced a new metric for success, the success score. It takes into account various factors like gig order history, customer satisfaction, and communication quality. This score provides a holistic view of your performance and helps you understand your strengths and areas for improvement. Now, let's talk ratings and reviews. Fiverr is shifting the benchmark, moving away from the pressure of 5-star ratings. The new system aims to provide a more reliable representation of your work. With a redesigned feedback loop, new context-specific questions, and a balanced rating landscape, your exceptional work is set to shine. Curious about the transition? Fiverr has got it all planned out. Starting February 14th, the new level system will be introduced, but only visible to you. Take a month to explore and get comfortable. By March 14th, the new level system will be fully live for everyone to see. It's a smooth and gradual transition. And that's a wrap, freelancers. Fiverr's new updates are designed to empower you on your journey to success. So, embrace the changes, explore the new features, and get ready for your next chapter of Fiverr success. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs on the Fiverr website. Happy freelancing!